I'm Alexander Rossi, and this is Avalanche Refrigerant. Apparently you can repair your leaky air conditioning with this. It's even got a reusable push-button dispenser and a gauge, so you can know how much pressure you're putting out, or in. It's even got an extra long hose with an easy fit coupler. It's a large 16-ounce can with Freon and stop leaks. It helps seals hose leaks, O-rings, and gaskets. But wait, that's not all. It also extends your compressor life. And of course, it's sold exclusively at your local Napa Auto Parts. And if you hurry on down to your local Napa Auto Parts in the month of August, you can get it for under $20, $19.99 to be exact, so you know where to go.